Okay, I guess we should get started. Let's see. So first of all, today we're going to talk about solar cells from an physics materials perspective. I'm hearing an echo. You can still hear me, right, Kata? Okay. Maybe Kata, you can go on mute because I'm hearing a pretty loud echo. Okay, much better. Thanks. Of course, unmute yourself if you want to say something. So today, we're going to talk about solar cells. A quick reminder: the assignment 6 is due today on Canvas, or oh, sorry, not assignment 6, but assignment 5 is due today, which was back. Oops. You can hear me, right, Mikata? Yes? Okay. So assignment 5 is due today. It's the business model Canvas iteration 1. Make sure you submit it on Canvas or email it, or you can also submit it on Slack if you prefer. Assignment 6 is due on November 9th, which is next Tuesday, and it's already posted on Canvas, so you can take a look at the instructions. It's essentially a very brief description of your simulation models. Of course, you can augment it with figures and results for extra pages. There's a couple of links here that you can follow. pveducation.org has lots of information and resources on understanding solar cells. So, I would highly recommend kind of playing around with it, exploring that site a little bit. But today we'll talk about that. I just also want to make a plug for Thursday. Thursday, we have a very special event, which is a virtual panel discussion and titled Taking Tech to the Market. We essentially have a group of 5 individuals, all of whom have quite a bit of experience in entrepreneurship, taking technologies from the lab into the marketplace, especially related to deep tech startups. By deep tech, I'm referring primarily to hardware startups, whether it's, they're not all of them are related to energy, but there's quite a bit of common thread that we can all learn from them. So this is a very important discussion. I expect all of you to join in, and this will be on Zoom, so you don't need to actually come into class, but of course you're welcome to. Kata will be there, but this will be live discussion on Zoom. So make sure you connect, and also I would strongly encourage you to come with questions, especially if you have questions related to your particular projects. If you have questions after you have thought through the business canvas and so on. So this will be really an interactive panel. In other words, we're going through lots of discussion points and also addressing a lot of your questions as well. So this is your opportunity. It'll be moderated by Paul Corson, who's a deputy director at the University of Utah Pivot Center. For those of you who are not aware of this, Pivot Center is so let me actually walk you through it very quickly. You can read about it, but they're essentially a center based at the university where as students, you have access to all the resources available provided by the Pivot Center. They help you patent ideas. They help you raise funding for your ideas. They help you start a company, help you with legal stuff, accounting, all kinds of stuff that we as engineers may not want to think about. So it's a fantastic resource, and you'll learn more about it on Thursday, but I strongly encourage you to take a closer look at it. Okay, so first of all, that's mandatory attendance for those of you who are not in the section 90, so IVC and in class sections. This, you have to attend it, so make sure you attend. And again, you don't need to come to class. You can actually attend it on Zoom, even if you are taking the in-person class. So, but I expect all of you to attend it. Okay, great. With that, let's. Are there any questions? First of all. Okay, no. Everyone's clear. Okay, then let's jump in for today.